Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PlayStation app and signing into your PSN. Make sure you use the same account as your console. Once done, tap the Explore or Library tab to access your profile and captures. You want to ensure the console is on and set to allow remote uploads. This is why linking and network access matter. Now, navigate to your profile or party area. This is the first actionable step toward finding recorded clips and screenshots on your phone. You now find captures under your profile or the library. Press Media Gallery to view all captures. Once in, use filters to narrow to clips, screenshots, specific games, or dates, which speeds things up when you have hundreds of files. Tap a clip to preview it, then swipe or long press to select multiple items for download or share. Make sure to check quality and length before downloading. This prevents wasted storage and gives you control over what transfers. You finish by selecting the clips you want and choosing Save to Device or Share. Select the destination app or cloud. Once saved, you can trim or upload them to social apps directly from your phone. If a clip won't appear, make sure your console completed the upload, your PSN link is active, and the PlayStation app has storage permission. Sometimes signing out and back enforces a refresh. Finally, test with a small clip to confirm the full flow works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.